Hello friends, welcome to another new video of mission activity. And today's mission activity, we will make a chart and a table of how to take care of our external organs like eyes, teeth, hands, skin and hair. So let's start. First, we will draw two columns. The one column should be of 4 centimeters, and the straight column. And this side of the column, we will write the names of the organs. And here, we will write its care. How to care for that? How to take care of that organs. So now we will make a line at top to show for the hearing. So this side of the line we will write body parts, and at this side we will write care. Now we will start. So the first one is eyes. So eyes is a very delicate organ of our body, and we should take its care, and it helps us to see. So here we will write eyes. And now how to care for eyes. So to care for eyes, some cares for eyes are we should wash the eye for 4 to 5 times in a day with fresh water. We should wash our eyes with fresh water. Water 3 to 5 times in a day. Another measure to take care of eyes is watch less phone and TV. Watch less phone and TV. And our next measure is eat food rich in vitamin A. Rich in vitamin A. Now we will make a line here, and now we will take our next one, which is the teeth. So we will write the teeth here. And let's measure. Clean and brush your teeth twice in a day. And our next one is eat food less in sugar, as the sugar causes germs and cavity. Now we will make this another line here and take our next measure. So now we will take our next body part, and our next body part is hands and feet. Hands and feet. So the measure to say our hands and feet is wash your hands and feet. Wash your hands and feet. Then we will, in the another line, we will write hand, a dash, and write when to wash: before and after meal. Before and after meal. And also in Corona, we should take care of our hands very much. We should not touch anything strange. Or also, if we know that every time we touch that, but if everyone is touching that, don't touch that. Before and after meal, and etc. And now we will write feet and after playing, etc. And we will make a line. Now we will take our another body organ or body part in the main, that is skin. So our body is covered by skin. So and the skin is that part which is fully visible. It is fully in your body, the skin. So to take care of skin is very important. To take care of skin, we should take baths properly. Take bath properly. Wear clean clothes. Yes, clothes also, if we clothes that are not clean, so that can also affect our skin. Wear clean clothes, and this are for the skin. And now we will take our next one, which is hair. Hair is also important for us, so we will write it. So its measure to take care of hair is we should wash hair with soap at thrice in a week, means 3 times in a week. Thrice in a week we should put we should do oiling. We should do oiling. And our next step is we should comb our hairs properly. So this was of hair, and now we will take out the last one, which is nails. We should also protect our nail cut. So for our measure for it is cut your nails every week. Another one is we should clean our nails. So today's our chart of some external organs and how to care for it is done. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.